Hey kids, this video is for your parents, so pause this video, go get them, and tell them to watch it. Hey parents, it's Liam's dad from Liam's Train Time. Do you want to make it easier for your kids to find their favorite YouTube channels right within the YouTube Kids app? I've got you covered. Here's how to add channels that you approve, like Liam's Train Time, to your child's profile so they show right up in the home feed on the YouTube Kids app. Step 1, open the main YouTube app and make sure that you, parents, are logged into the YouTube account that manages your child's profiles. Step 2, navigate to the channel that your child wants to watch. For example, let's search for Liam's Train Time. Once you're on the main channel page, click those 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. A menu should appear at the bottom, and that's when you're gonna click Share. Next, select With Kids, and now your child's profile should pop up. Select which profile you want to share the channel with, and then click Done. Step 5 is about checking your work. To make sure it worked, open up the Kids YouTube app and select your child's profile. Then navigate to Your Stuff. At the top, click Shared, and now you should see all the content and the channels that you've shared with your child's profile. Step 6 is the most important step. Subscribe. Subscribing helps the content show up more often on your child's home screen, so they never miss a new episode from their favorite channels. In order to do that, just click on the channel and at the top, smash that subscribe button. And now your kids won't miss a moment of fun from their favorite creators right on the YouTube Kids app. And don't forget to subscribe and watch Liam's Train Time for awesome train builds, races, and wooden railway adventures. Our channel is perfect for kids who love trains and who love to build creative wooden track layouts.